is up, guys? It's the weekend and we're taking it back to the streets where I came from, back road Touge driving. We're taking the JZX 110, meeting up with some friends. We're gonna hit some of my favorite roads. Come along for the ride. So we just met up with the crew. We're at this primo spot where I know where you can get photos over a waterfall. We're trying to get photos in without cars coming. It's a cool spot. Let's check it out. And check this primo spot out. We're gonna get photos of the cars. Look at the water, it just goes under the road. This is amazing. It's a busy street though, so it's hard to get photos. First up, we've got the Touge ZL Tezza. See if we can get some decent photos without any cars coming. Such a primo spot, right? We've got a 180SX S14, my 110, we'll see if we can get photos of all of them. The things you do for primo car photos, eh? Holding up everyone, sorry guys. And this is what it's all about, using your car, having fun, meeting up with friends, just going driving, man. That's what we built these cars for, that's what we love them for. I love getting out of my cars any opportunity I can. There's so many cool meets and things around Auckland these days, around New Zealand. Get out there, enjoy your car, have fun. That's what we build them for. What a way to spend a sunny Sunday, just out rolling with your friends, having fun, enjoying your cars. It's what it's about, guys. Just get out there and have fun. Driving some cool roads, having some yarns, taking some photos. It's what it's all about, guys. If you guys like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Go back and check out all the other videos and see what else we've been up to lately.